you could be any cartoon character, which would it be?
Right now, off the top of my head, I'd want to be a Powerpuff Girl. Preferably Buttercup. Kick some butt.
It's funny because Natalie said the Powerpuff Girls, Buttercup, and I was thinking the Powerpuff Girls. But I think I would probably be Blossom. Optimus Prime. He was a cartoon, okay? It would be Optimus Prime.
Do you take the shampoos and conditioners from hotels?
Sometimes.
If I'm taking them, it's probably not for myself. They're tiny and it's annoying. And what am I gonna do with this much soap? Absolutely. What are they there for?
Have you stolen a street sign?
No.
I have not stolen a street sign, but for an art project in school, I did make a street sign and then put it up as a street sign. But it was also upside down. No, I have no interest in that.
Do you sleep with your sheets tucked in or out?
Out. I need freedom. When I'm sleeping, I sleep terribly.
I usually sleep with one leg out the blanket and the other leg in the blanket with the blanket tucked under that leg. Out. Gotta free my leg.
Would you rather be attacked by a big bear or a swarm of bees?
Can I ask a follow-up question? Do I survive? Because I would think I would rather be attacked by a bear if I survive.
A bear because it's only one and the swarm can surround you. A big bear.
Do you always smile in pictures?
Pretty much. I kind of stopped smiling because, as you can see, I grin a lot. So I've started to not smile as much in photos.
No.
No.
Have you peed in the woods?
Yes.
No. Yes.
What size is your bed?
It's a full.
Full. It's a queen size.
What is the best concert you ever went to?
The best concert I ever went to was Celine Dion. I know, I'm old. I don't care. I've loved Celine Dion growing up, but her concert was amazing, and hearing her live, it's like even better than the recordings.
I'm gonna say 6. Even though it's a musical, it's set up like a concert, so I'll say 6. Okay. So we went to 2 Ariana Grande concerts, her last 2, and I would still say that her Dangerous Woman was my favorite out of the 2. Like, they were both great, but Dangerous Woman, that's it. That's the top.
What is your song of the week?
Song of the week. I've not been listening to a lot of music lately. Probably right now my song of the week is Drop It Low by Cat DeLuna. Old. It's an old song.
All Night by Beyonce. Maybe In My Dreams from Anastasia, the musical.
Still watch cartoons?
Yes, absolutely. That's all. I watch that cartoons all the time.
Yes. Yes.
When was the last time you wrote a letter to someone on paper?
Last time was probably about 3 or 4 years ago. I wrote a handwritten letter to my mom, and it was nice. I need to do it again.
2010, when I lived in Georgia. We did like a pen pal kind of thing in like 6th grade. So maybe like 12 years ago. Maybe more.
How many languages can you speak?
Oh no.
Technically 3, but I'm not fluent in 2 of them.
1.5.
Believe in ghosts?
Not really, no.
Yes.
Yes.
What was your first concert?
My first real concert was a Todrick Hall concert. That would probably be my first concert.
One Direction 2013.
My first concert was a B96 B Bash, all the way out in, I think it was Bridgeview, and it was a bunch of different artists, but that's where I touched Sean Paul's hand.
Cheetos or Fritos?
Fritos.
Cheetos.
Cheetos.
Can you curl your tongue?
Yes.
Yes.
Ever won a spelling bee?
No. No.
I don't think I've ever been a part of a spelling bee, so no.
Yes.
Own a record player?
Yes.
No.
No. I want one.
Who would you like to see in concert?
You know what? I would love to see Shoshana Bean in concert. Voice gives me life, and I would love to hear those vocals live. Like, chills. I'm already getting chills thinking about it. Shoshana Bean.
Bruno Mars.
I'd like to see Adele, but I would bring tissues.
Sugar cookies or snickerdoodles?
Sugar cookies.
Sugar cookies, because you can make them into snickerdoodles.
Sugar cookies.
Can you swim well?
I can swim to save my life.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you patient?
Yeah, for the most part, yes.
No.
Hell no.
DJ or band at a wedding?
Kind of the same as my sister friend Nakia. Back in the day, it would have been a band, but in this day and age, a DJ just seems like it works better for occasions nowadays.
DJ.
Once upon a time, I would have said a band, but now I feel like a DJ is more appropriate.
Ever won a contest?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Couple.
Do you want kids?
Yes.
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 What is your favorite candle scent?
Clean linen.
There's this one candle from Bath and Body Works. I don't know if they still have it, but it's called Cinnamon Donut, and it smells so good. But if I weren't to choose that sweet smell, I would choose a fruity smell, and it'd be apple.
I think mango peach.
What male or female celebrity do you wish was your sibling?
You know what? If I can't have Wayne Brady as a husband, then I would like him as a brother, like a best big brother ever, because he seems like he's awesome.
Okay, so like Natalie, if he couldn't be my husband, I would want Taj Mari as a sibling. He seems like he'd be like a great sibling.
You know what? I feel like if Zac Efron was my older brother, I'd be like hella protected. I feel so safe. I feel like he'd take care of me.
What language beside your native language would you like to be fluent in?
Francais.
Spanish and French.
Either French or Greek.
What would your parents have named you if you were the opposite gender?
You know what? I don't remember. I've heard the story. I don't remember. However, what my name would have been if it wasn't Natalie, knowing that I was a girl, it would have been Ethlyn.
Probably the male version of my name, Khalid.
If I was a boy, which everybody thought I was going to be up until the day before, my name would have been Maddox.
What was the last compliment you got?
I can't remember, but it was something about my hair.
I'm not sure, but the last one that I remember was, you were looking cute.
Okay, Adele 2.0.
Tell us something strange that you do.
Everything.
I've been told that when I'm thinking, I go like this. And then I come back with my answer.
I don't know if it's strange because this is like a regular thing out in the world, but I own so many bookmarks, but you will always find me use a bobby pin as my bookmark. It does not matter.
Hi, thank you for watching.
We really hope you enjoyed our video.
And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to like,
Comment
And subscribe
down below.
au revoir.
Adios.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.